Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution. And if you're really facing the problem of a blurry screen in Overwatch 2, then I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. So at first, you may need to update your driver, whatever you're using, NVIDIA or AMD. Just make sure it is updated. After that, get into Overwatch 2 and then click on settings, and then the first one, which is video, tap on that one. In resolution, make sure you're playing with this setting to check whichever one works best for you. After that, go a bit down until you see this one called dynamic render scale. Set this one to off, and then below that, render scale, select that one into custom and make sure it is set on 100%. And then we're done for this page. After that, just click on graphics quality, and from there there's just one option that we need to change, which is the anti-alias quality. Tap on that one, and there are basically a lot of options, but the best one for you is either put it to off or on low. Off will be best if you're having a really bad issue and your laptop or PC is very slow, but after you do these changes it should be working fine for you. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.